name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nikki. If you are new, welcome. Today is Friday. In Korea it's Friday. It's still actually Thursday, in Chicago at least. And so on Fridays I do what I call face chart Fridays, where I recreate a face chart. And you know, that's basically it. This face chart was sent to me by, I don't know who sent this one. It was sent and it's just chilling in my inbox, and I screenshotted it. Now we're gonna do it. It's really only like 4 or 5 colors. Well, 4 colors and then highlight. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. Gonna be pretty quick. Going to be using Colourpop palettes and possibly a Morphe palette. Possibly. If you're new to my channel, when I do these face charts, I rarely look at the camera because my phone is here on a stand and I'm looking at the picture of the chart while you look at the picture of the chart somewhere right here or here, depending on where I put it in editing. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get started. First palette I'm going to be using is the Kathleen Lights palette. The shade in here, I'm only going to be using one shade from this palette for the eye part. Then I'm going to come back and use this shade for the lower lash line. But for the lid, or at least for the space above my crease, I'm going to be taking this shade Spark, which obviously I love this shade. I'm going to be taking that and just placing that in a really like messy fashion here, and then a little like it's going to go down there. I know that's weird, but if you look at the face chart, that's what it looks like. Now this is one of those looks where fallout is good because it helps, because the colors, this color really, and the color it's going to go here, actually goes down there. So that's fun. Next I'm going to be taking, without trying to blend you guys, the Colourpop palette, the More palette, and the shade, I always get these wrong. This is either El Rey or Detour. I think this is Detour. I think we figured that out last time I used this palette. Detour. And that's going to go here to like about here. Yeah. On the same brush, I just cleaned it off. I'm going to go into the Bretman Rock palette. I'm going to take the shade I'm Chillin', which is this blue one here, and put that a little bit on top of the blue shade that I just used. My neighbors are super loud, and it's annoying. Like, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but they're always in the hallway, and they're always loud, no matter what time it is. Saturdays, 7 a.m. They're in the hallways, having full conversations, but loud as fuck. Now I haven't blended that yet, so it looks a little crazy, but I'm going to blend that line. I don't know if you can tell in the picture, because the picture's not that big, right here, it's really dark, but it's like a dark blue. I don't want to use black. So I'm going to go into my Eddie Funkhouser Rockstar palette. Sorry if I'm blinding you. And I'm going to take the shade, which is such a pretty navy shade, Legendary, and I'm going to put that into the outer corners. Just a little bit, not completely, but it's definitely dark in this region, so we gotta make it darker, but I don't want to use black because, yeah, nah, we gonna go with Legendary. If you are new to my channel, I don't do anything face related on camera. I do eyes and lips on camera. So I'll be back with everything done except the highlight. I'll do the highlight on camera because that highlight is amazing, and yeah. So now for the lower lash line, I'm first going to take just right up in here the shade Legendary one more time from the Eddie Funkhouser palette, and just put that in the corner. It's gonna get lighter, and I didn't want to use a liner because, you know, too scared. I'm not about that life using liquid liner down here. I can't. Almost chose the wrong color. Now for the green shade, I don't have, it's like the green on the lower lash line of the picture is like a forest green. So I'm going to combine the green and then the shade from the Dream Street palette to make it appear similar, I guess. So first I'm going to go into this BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. Not Take Me Back, but Take Me To. So it's the first trip. It's the first go around. And I'm going to take, I want to say this green shade. This green shade here first. I'm take that first and put that down first. Real quick, real fast. Because I want to give the appearance that there's some green there, because the shade from the Dream Street palette is more blue. So I feel like if I put this down first and then put the shade from Dream Street on top of it, it's a similar effect. Okay, that's the first green shade, although that doesn't look too bad. But the green, yeah. Take a little bit of Water Bearer, I think that's the name of this shade here, and put that on top. Just a little, not too much. That actually worked. Wasn't expecting it to work, but it worked. It's my favorite part of the video. Highlighter! I am going to be using my Hello Gregory highlighter. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. It's so pretty. By the way, this brush is a Morphe brush, the M531. And this brush, I love it so much to blend out my highlighter, but I don't love having the bristles come out. But I've had this brush for 2 years now. But this is a very good brush to blend out my highlight. Like, it makes me happy. And this highlight is really pretty, and I love wearing it. And then I love going to work and my boy students teacher bingo bingo, which is like bling bling, shiny shiny. I'm like, you're right, you're 100% correct. Yesterday my student Paul told me, because I had hella highlight on yesterday too to make myself feel better. And he goes, "Teacher, robot, you're right. I'm fake. I am not real. None of this is real." And the girls just say, "Teacher, pretty." I'm like, I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Don't worry, I'm not gonna let it stay like this. I put it in its place, and then I actually take a really light blush and put it on top, so then it tones down. Even though for this look the highlight is like really crazy right in this area, I'm still gonna add some blush because I don't want to blind nobody. So I feel like this highlighter kind of, you know, that's what's on the tip of my nose, by the way. This, it's unicorn frosting. He has other highlights too, but this one is my favorite. I love it so much. Now I'm gonna go off camera to fix my hair, then I'll be back. I look taller because I put on shoes. For the lip, I don't have that exact lip color anymore because I used it all. So I'm going to take Colourpop's matte lip in Love Bug and the Snow White lip because it's like a red orange type deal, but I don't have that shade anymore. So what I'm going to do is put these two together. And I didn't do my hair actually, I changed my mind because I'm running late. Okay, so I definitely forgot about this. I need to fix that Jeffree Star liquid lip that I have. I'm shook. Fits in that category instead of Love Bug. It's a lot better. So I'm going to use that instead. And this is the finished look. Yes, I did put my hat on because it's still cold outside and ain't a good time for that. So I'm proud of this look. I'm really proud of this green part because I looked at the picture again on my phone and it's pretty darn close for me not to have that exact green. That's the artist in me. I used to be, well, I still draw. I used to paint and draw and stuff and mix colors. It's the artist in me. I knew what I was doing. By the way, the inner corner is also Hello Gregory highlight right under my eyebrows, also Hello Gregory. The extra sheen is the Comet water from Drench Cosmetics. I'm very shiny today. Proud of this look. I'm happy with this look. Shout out to Gold Beauty Makeup because her face shirts are always really pretty and really cute and colors that, you know, I wouldn't think to put together. Then boom, she puts them together and I'm like, oh, let me try it. Anyway, that's it for this video. That's it for this week's face chart. I will see you all tomorrow and a lot next week. I'm gonna pre-film a lot because I get 3 days off for Lunar New Year, so gonna be a lot of filming these next 4 days. Bye.